everyone. In this video I show you how to fix file ads.txt to solve this problem. In the first type, you go for more information about the txt file, and you scroll down and you are copy this, and you will open new text document and give him ads.txt and go on site and will copy this, and you return here in your AdSense and you copy this number and you go here and paste and we'll save this. You will go here your website, you open your file manager, I have this file before ads.txt. You should do this like this, ads.txt and open. I have before, you see, and you should to back your website. If you are use SEO, you will go to tools and field editor, and you will add this. I leave this file in description, and you will back here and add again this, save to change. Now my file is ready. You will go your ads and you get the last information. Click here and now is done. We found the publish ID in the ads.txt file. Good. And now it's working. If you like this, if you solve this problem from my video, you let me subscribe and like and comment and share this video in social media.